Okay.
Hey guys, it's me. So good to about that. We found this bird with a broken wing. It's in that box, and we are gonna release it. It was in the wild with a broken wing. There was raw skin right here, and we kind of took it. We locked it in that box. We didn't feed it yet because it's about to go in the wild. It's probably gonna die, but that's life for you. So we're just gonna wait until we release it. So this is what around our house looks like. He's absolutely terrified of these mountains. So you're gonna see the bird. I'm not lying. There's a bird in here. We are about to show it to you.
What kind of bird is it?
It is a blackbird, I think. Well, it's black. That's racist, no? You can hear Saturn in the background. Really. No, it's actually scared me. Wait, you need to get close to it. Very close to it. It was about to release it. There it is. There, that beautiful creature. It doesn't want to leave the box for some reason. Oh God, what the?
There it is.
Now we're slowly releasing it.
Okay.
Now this bird is a blackbird and it is not friendly.
Yes, it is.
Well, it isn't really doing much, but why is it waiting for us? Usually when you see a bird,
It's getting there.
it's taking a grass bath.
It's trying to fly.
Too bad he can't fly.
So you'll scare him.
The bird's here. It's a beautiful little bird. Don't you dare bite my eye out. Now we're gonna leave him for you. It just opened its beak. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Hopefully.
It seriously doesn't want to leave that spot. Okay, well, we're just gonna walk away. We're gonna show you the way back home to our house in the middle of our street. If I would see, I can't see it. No, we're gonna show you the way back home.
Are you crying?
No, he's yawning.
These are the fountains. Over there is where we found him.
Yeah, our dog is actually terrified of these mountains. So when we bring him, he's like, no, no.
Hopefully he makes it.
Back to where he is.
Mummy?
Mummy?
Mummy? But what if he's still there tomorrow?
Well, if you see him on your way to school tomorrow morning,
Yes.
then, as we read, it can take up several days or even several weeks for them to learn how to fly properly, and their mummy or daddy will still feed them. So hopefully if he's still there tomorrow, that means he didn't get got by a cat in the middle of the night. So we should take that as good news, not bad news.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
So we're going to see the way up there. Just give them a quick tour of where we live. I live in Belgium, so most of my friends aren't from the UK. And this is the corner where we live. to show you around my house. Apart from the upstairs because it's abominable. Okay, fine.
Yeah, we're gonna do a house tour
I think you. Why?
soon.
Why are we all allowed to do a house tour? What's it gonna do? Why are we not allowed? You're the worst man in the world.
Have you stopped filming yet?
No.
Stop it.